So in this tree industry, you must have a business plan like any other business. So today I'm going to do part 1 on how to apply for an EIN number. This is the easiest thing that you can do for your business. But before I get started, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Please hit that subscribe bell button and like button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Okay, so I'll probably go over this in 2 parts. So this will be part 1 today, and that's going over your EIN, how to apply for an EIN number. But first things first, you must always start out with a business plan, because your business plan is your foundation. This will lay out everything step by step that you need to do for your business. So the first thing first, you must have a business plan. But let me go ahead and show you how to apply for an EIN number.
And a lot of you are having issues on how to apply for an EIN number. So the first thing I want to say is applying for an EIN number is probably one of the easiest things that you can do for yourself and your business. You should not be giving any information to anyone or paying anyone on applying for an EIN number for your business. One, because it's sensitive information. You shouldn't be giving anyone your Social Security number, because that is something that you will need to apply for an EIN number. So if you are applying for an EIN number and you have paid someone for an EIN number to do that, or to get you an EIN number, you probably pretty much 99.9% of the time you probably have gotten scammed. So you want to make sure you're at www.irs.gov. You shouldn't be typing in irs.com. You shouldn't be typing in irs.org. It's irs.gov. So apply for an employer ID number, which means an employee identification number. You click on that block, and there is an alert that states you must complete each EIN application individually instead of using any automated process. Basically, you need to do this individually and manually on your computer online. So you scroll down and you're going to click apply for an EIN online.
So by today being a Saturday, you cannot apply online today. You have to apply Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Those are the only times that you can actually apply online. Again, posted right here, the only time you can apply is during the hours of operation, which is Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you read over step 1, determine your eligibility. Step 2, understand the online application. And step 3, submit your application. So all you need is your business name, your legal name, your address, telephone number, and Social Security number. And that's it. And you will receive an EIN number right away online. Now, there is no need really for me to click apply online now, because today is Saturday. It is just going to take me to a screen to let me know that they are unavailable right now. So make sure you apply during those times that I said earlier, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope this helps you out. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Tomorrow, I'll discuss LLC, filing fees, LLC versus sole proprietorship, cottage food law, for the infused treats, the ABC board, ABC commission on how you need to be legal when you're selling infused treats. Okay, I really hope I helped you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.